Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. Now, on your screen, it reads, and I quote, their true character versus the image they project, end quote. I've been around for a long time. So I have come across a lot of people who projects a certain image, but their true character don't quite match up. So a lot of people becomes unattractive once you discover how they really think. Sometimes you might find that their inner thoughts and their true character don't quite match the image they project. So getting to know someone beyond their surface level can be a real eye-opener, an opportunity to evaluate relationships and focus on connections with people who are genuine and authentic. You see, my friends, in our initial interactions with people, we're often drawn to the polished exterior, the charismatic smile, the impressive stories, the carefully curated image. We assume the surface we see reflects a deeper truth, but a truly insightful journey into a person's character begins when we move beyond the facade. There's a quiet, often profound moment of clarity when you discover what someone's mind and heart is truly like. What a person projects and what they genuinely think and feel can be two vastly different things. So, in closing, my friends, this revelation, though sometimes disappointing, is a gift. It's a chance to see beyond the superficial and to recognize that true beauty lies not in a person's appearance, but in the integrity of their thoughts, the authenticity of their character, and the genuine warmth of their soul. It's an invitation to focus your energy on relationships that are real and not the ones that are just for show. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.